Python has been gaining popularity and is considered as one of the most popular and flexible server-side programming language. Installing or updating Python on your computer is the first step to becoming a Python programmer. Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means it runs on all the major operating systems. Any Python program you write should run on any modern computer that has Python installed. Unlike most Linux distributions, Windows does not come with the Python programming language by default. However, you can install Python on your Windows in just a few easy steps. Open your web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and type Python download. Open their official website and download the latest version of Python. At the time of making this video, the latest version of Python is 3.9.6. After the downloading is complete, run the installer. On the prompt window, click on Run. Make sure you select the option Add Python to Path, which will make it easier to configure your system correctly. Click on Install now. Close the window. First, check whether Python is installed on your system. Open Start menu and type cmd to open command prompt. To check the Python version, type Python version and press the Enter button. Enter Python in lowercase. If you get a similar Python prompt, in response, Python is successfully installed on your system. Enter the following line in your Python session, and make sure you see the output Hello Python. If you see an error message telling you that Python is not a recognized command, Python isn't installed. Type exit with round braces to exit the Python.